Hello guys, how are you? Today we are going to do an experiment. The floating egg. That's our experiment. Let me tell you the materials you are going to need for today's experiment. You will need 2 transparent cups. You will also need 2 eggs, some water, and salt. Let's see now what we will have to do.
For the first step, we will put 4 tablespoons of salt into one of the glasses. The ocean is made up of salt water, so this glass can represent the ocean. Stir it until it's dissolved. Rivers and lakes are made up of fresh water, so this glass can represent the freshwater. We will put 1 egg in the fresh water and 1 in the salt water.
As scientists, we have to follow 5 steps for the experiment. Do you remember those steps? On the first step, you have to ask a question. And today's question is, which egg will float? The one in fresh water? Or the one in salty water? On step number 2, you have to make a prediction. What do you think it will happen? Now think and answer the question. Check on this mark sheet your prediction. On the third step, you can conduct your experiment or do your investigation. Now is the time. Go and do the experiment. You have to test your predictions. So, while you do the experiment, you have to follow step number 4. On this step, you have to collect all the information from the experiment. And for that, you will have to check on this mark sheet the results. On step number 5, you will have to draw your conclusions. So, compare your predictions with the results of the experiment. On this worksheet, you can draw your conclusions. When you're done with your experiment, don't forget to reflect on it and let us know if you liked it. Before you go, let me tell you the materials you are going to need for our next experiment. 1 plastic cup. You will need water and a piece of paper. Now go and have fun being a scientist. Goodbye!